Private placement transactions require many complex documents that take most legal firms a substantial amount of time to complete. This can delay the time it takes to get to market with your offering. That's why we built SmartRAISE, an automated private placement tool that enables Gowling WLG to significantly reduce the time it takes for us to generate reliable and accurate documents for our clients. Here's how it works. Gowling WLG templates for all private placement documents are stored in our internal SmartRAISE system, including the term sheet, subscription agreement, and agency agreement. These stored templates are monitored and regularly updated by our dedicated team of legal professionals, so they stay current with changing regulations. That means they're always up to date and fully compliant. We start our process of generating documents for you by entering data for a specific deal into the term sheet. Our system identifies all the data we need from you, including the dealer, compensation and reimbursement, and security and offering details. All the data we enter into the term sheet automatically populates other documents for us, eliminating the need for redundant data entry. Throughout the process, SmartRAISE offers us the opportunity to preview your documents and double-check them. If there's a change to the deal terms, we can easily make that change in our system. In this example, we'll change the price from $2 to $5. All relevant documents are updated and recalculated with that single entry, making our revisions fast and easy. Once the data has been entered, the generated documents can be saved and printed for Gowling WLG's final review. With less of our time spent on multiple manual updates, we can focus your legal costs on more substantive matters like comprehensive review and consideration of your deal. SmartRAISE helps us put your deal one step ahead by leveraging technology to complete your private placement documents more efficiently, more accurately, and in full compliance with the law. SmartRAISE is one more reason that Gowling WLG is the recognized leader for innovation in the legal field today.